This VIP Realty property video is presented by Valerie Vaccaro. Golfer's Paradise brand new 18-hole executive course, renovation completed 11/20. Enjoy the lifestyle everyone dreams about in this 2-bedroom 1-bath condo. Impact windows in kitchen and both bedrooms, open lanai giving you more inside living space. Nice southwest exposure for beautiful sunsets. Unit being sold completely turnkey with low HOA fees. Golf assessment paid in full. Seven Lakes is a 55-plus active golf and tennis community where all your amenities are included in your monthly maintenance fees. No membership fees, trail or green fees. On-site restaurant with no minimum, wood shop, hobby room, library, pickleball, 6 Har-Tru tennis courts, 6 heated pools throughout community, fitness center, card rooms, shuffleboard, trivia, karaoke, bingo, on-site golf and tennis pros, billiard room, large auditorium for plenty of holiday dances and socials, ladies club, men's club, camera club, full-service recreation department and so much more. 24 hours guarded gate, centrally located to fine dining and shopping, minutes to downtown Fort Myers, RSW Airport and Fort Myers Beach. Come and see for yourself all the amenities Seven Lakes has to offer. Agents, please see confidential comments for more information, review the details below or contact Valerie Vaccaro at 631-404-7563.